Tonight, we celebrate the legacy of Disney princesses and the inspiring women who brought them to life. Their stories of both love, kindness, and courage in a way that stays with us forever. Through their unforgettable songs, we're inspired to dream boldly, follow our hearts, and believe in what's possible. So let your heart soar, and remember, every wish begins with a dream.
Is a wish your